Welcome to my YouTube channel on Goodbye. I'm already messed up in the first part, but it don't matter. Make sure to please subscribe, hit the like button, and give it a thumbs up. The first video is about makeup, because I don't know how to do it like, even right now. You can tell that it's not even, but I make it even. So please subscribe and hit the like button, please. Or don't, whatever. Bye. Hi everybody. So I'm doing this video, my first makeup video. I'm pretty sure you shouldn't follow it, but still, these are my opinions on my makeup. So what I'm doing first is I'm cleaning my brush, because you know damn well it hasn't been cleaned in like 1 year. So what I'm doing right now is adding water, clean that shit. Drink some water, thirsty as hell for my mans. But I actually added the cleaning brushing thingy, my thingy, whatever it is, to clean the thing. So, okay, so this shade I got in the summer when I was 10. But now, I forgot I'm not 10 no more. So it's like orange and I'm yellow. So what I'm doing right now is blending this shit. You know what I'm saying? Blend. Until you get a coma. Yes. Ooh, yes. Ooh, blend it, girl. Ooh. Cover that mustache, because ain't nobody want to see it. So what you do is you do it under the eye, under the neck. I didn't get my whole neck, but why did I not get my whole neck? Damn it. Okay, so blend. Yeah. Blend, bitch, blend. Okay, so we still blending or whatever. So we adding more, even though it's not my color. So we're just gonna blend, bitch. Blend, yes. Feel yourself, yes. Ooh, yes. Blend. Blending. Shabby-doo. So what we're gonna do right now? Oh no, shabby-doo. My bad. So what we're gonna do is get this 99 cents store bought chopstick for your dry ass lips. Yes, one. So this one that is next, I stole this, but eventually it ended up being mine because that person was like, oh, you can have it or whatever, and I was like, okay, after 6 months they just let me have it. So what happened here, we'll try to make our lips bigger or whatever, they already it is. So yes, you blend your lips. Let's go up, down, and then you do this whole mama thing. So it could be spread it out. So what you do now? This is a 99-cent store eyeliner. So you put it all the way in like that. Yes, fill that in. Put it not yet though, because it's not dark enough, and you gotta look like you actually copied up the, you see, on cue. Bless, I said. Okay, so my eyes are still burning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some mascara. Yes, add some mascara. Yes. Because you have long ass lashes, and you're not trying to pay for no damn lashes because you poor as fuck. You got it. So you go down as well, and you do that face, like, what kind of face? Okay, so yes. Okay, so what you're gonna have, oh nope, never mind. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna blend. You're still blending, because you still know that that's not your color. But if you move back from the camera, you can't really tell it's not your color. And if you go to a club, shabby-doo bye-bye, hey, ooh, yes. Okay, so if you go to a club and they don't use the flash, you should be good. So what we're gonna do right now is some deep conditioner, because you cannot afford some gel or whatever. So you're gonna snip your hair back. That's the only hair that you could do. So what you're gonna do right now is, okay, put one bobby pin. Yeah, put 2 bobby pins. Ooh. Then you're gonna do the other side, put 3 bobby pins, I think. I'm not sure, let's see. Oh damn, I ended up looking like a falfa, but that shouldn't matter. Okay, so 2, 3, no, okay, it was 2. So your eyes are still burning, your face is still burning, because probably you didn't clean that brush right, so you still blending it. Blend, bitch. Yes, like like you're brushing your teeth, you gotta blend that shit, blah blah blah. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna add some perfume, even though you know you're recording, but whatever, you feel extra. So then you start feeling yourself. No, never mind. You start blending. Yes, oh, that's what you do. So now you feel yourself. Yes, bitch. Yes. Oh, yes. Follow my YouTube. Hey. Yes.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah, I bust down, Tatiana. Yeah, I wanna see you bust down. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down, speed it up, then slow.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline.